Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Node, JS, and a package manager, then install VS Code. Once done, add key extensions like React/JSX, ESLint, and prettier-so linting and formatting work immediately. Create a new React app with npx create React app or Vite. Choose a template and wait for dependencies to install. Make sure the project folder opens in VS Code. Then run npm start or pnpm dev to ensure the dev server boots and your browser shows the starter app. Once your app runs, focus on tooling so development stays fast and consistent. You configure ESLint and prettier rules to avoid style wars. Integrate them in package. JSON scripts like lint and format, and enable format on save in settings. Add a launch. JSON to attach the VS Code debugger to Chrome or Edge for breakpoints and step-through. Make sure source maps are enabled so you can inspect original JSX. Finally, use the integrated terminal, tasks, and editor snippets to scaffold components quickly and reduce repetitive typing. You complete the flow by building and deploying the app. Run npm run build and verify the static output locally. Once satisfied, push to a Git remote and deploy to Vercel, Netlify, or GitHub pages, ensuring CI runs the build script. If something breaks, start with the browser console and the integrated terminal logs, then inspect ESLint output and source maps for original code locations. As a key troubleshooting tip, clear node modules and cache, reinstall dependencies, and rerun the build to resolve corrupted installs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.